Mike the Disgruntled Mechanic here. One of the things that I've talked to somebody about in the past is Harbor Freight and some of their tools, items that they have, and basically the Chinese truth in advertising. One of the things is sometimes what they say on the packaging, I just don't really think what it is. And I am going to show you my case in point with this, and we'll see what you think. So here's what I'm talking about. This is a Pittsburgh impact socket adapter set. Now, as you see, it says impact socket adapter set. So I would think that I could use it with an impact. And as you see, one is missing. The reason that I got these is for the very fact that they say they are an impact socket adapter set. I was leery because I really didn't know, just didn't trust it. I much rather Snap-on for something like this, and I know people will say Harbor Freight's fine, it works fine. Well, you know, I don't think for everything. So this is what I mean by truth in advertising. What that is there is the 1-inch impact to 3/4 socket that we needed. And as you see, this baby basically blew apart and disintegrated. Thankfully, nobody was hurt. And you know, it is replaceable, but to me that isn't the point. The point is that these are supposed to be impact socket adapters, and clearly for that size they're not. Maybe the other sizes would work fine, I don't know. But all I'm saying is, when I'm going to something that size and that I don't want to blow apart, this worked for approximately, taking off approximately 8 lug nuts, and then this is what happened. So once again, you know, you can say what you want about Harbor Freight, and I do understand some of their stuff is good and I have it, but depending on what application you're using it for, don't always believe what they're telling you. So I just wanted to show you a little example of what Harbor Freight tools can do. It was cheap and everything, but maybe for one or two, you know, lug nuts or something, it may be fine, but in my case, it didn't do the job. So once again, this is Mike the Disgruntled Mechanic saying, just remember, if you can get somebody else to do it, you're probably better off. Thanks for watching.